Hi DoubleGDB community, my name is Dennis and this is my sprint update. Last week in my sprint update, I ended on labels on the user profile. So the labels on user profile allowed us to tag users with specific labels to easily identify them. So in this sprint, we decided to enhance the capabilities of the labels and add it to the users page. So on the users page, you have a list of users showing all the users plus additional information. So we decided to add this capability to that page in order for us to be able to tag multiple users at the same time. So what this meant was we had to rethink the design of the page in order to incorporate displaying of labels in case we have multiple labels on one particular user. So what this meant was a redesign of the whole page and also enhancement of multiple assigning of labels on assigning multiple users to labels. So or assign labels to multiple users. So what this means is that you had to change the view of the user's page. So I'll go to the user's page now and show you exactly what I mean. So once you come on the user's page, you will notice that there's something different about the page. It's completely different. We've added on top here, we've added a new field, a new element that allows us to assign multiple users with a label. And also, as you can see below here, we no longer have a table that displayed all the user information. We now have a list view. So this allowed us to display the labels that have been assigned easily and also make it easier for these users to navigate the page. So since we're dealing with user information, I've decided to use my test environment, which only has test information. So as you can see here, we have labels already assigned, and these can be assigned from here, as previously showed in my last sprint update. So this sprint, we decided to add this feature now, where you can tag multiple users with a label. So for you to be able to search for users that you want to assign labels to, you can use the filters either by phone number, by the labels themselves, or by row. So let's say we want to assign a new label to admins. So we have admins here, and then we decide to, let's say, add a new label. So let's say we add failing, and as you can see here, we've assigned the labels to all the admins. So let's say you want to filter all the users that have been tagged with a particular label. You click on labels, and then once you click failing, the label that you've selected, it will bring you now with all the users that have that particular label. So what this means is that we are now we've now added the capability of tagging multiple users with a label or multiple labels, and also being able to filter the users by those particular labels. So this was one of the features that was worked on in the sprint, and this brings us to the end of my sprint update. See you next sprint.